Hi everybody, this is Barry Johnson here at Melbourne Ballroom, and I wanted to tell you that we're going on another cruise. This one is going to happen in December, going from the 1st to the 8th. The last one was such an amazing success on the Enchantment of the Seas. Now we're going out on a much bigger ship, the Oasis of the Seas. We go from Miami all the way to Labadee, which is a nice little island outside of Haiti, and then from there we go to Falmouth, Jamaica. And then our last stop, of course, is going to be in Cozumel. And it's going to be an absolutely fantastic time on the Oasis of the Seas, which is newly refurbished. It's absolutely a new ship inside and out. It's one of the largest ships in the fleet, and they have 7 neighborhoods to explore while you're on it, including the dive show at the Aquatic Theater and also Central Park. There's going to be a lot to do on the ship. As for us, all the dancers on the ship, we're going to have 13 different group classes during the course of the trip, and of course a party every night at sea, hosted by Melbourne Ballroom and me. It's going to be a fabulous time. You have to call Go Travel to make sure you get your reservations now. I know it seems like it's a little bit off in the future, but they are taking the reservations now and the cabins are going. So please give us a call and let's go sailing.